So if you're stuck on a login problem with Bitwarden in 2026, don't panic. Yeah, it's usually something simple like a setting, cache issue, or extension conflict. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure Bitwarden's servers are actually working. If the service is down, you won't be able to log in no matter what you try. So yeah, always check this first. Next, double check your email and master password. Even a small typo can block access, and there's no password recovery for your master key, so take your time here. If you're stuck on a log-in loop, try closing the app or browser completely and reopening it. This clears temporary session bugs that can block login. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. I know it sounds basic, but honestly, this fixes a lot of weird login issues where Bitwarden just refuses to connect properly. Next, disable any VPNs, ad blockers, or privacy extensions. These can sometimes block authentication requests and cause login failures without any warning. Make sure you're using the latest version of Bitwarden. Old versions can break login sessions after updates on the server side, so updating is important. If nothing works, try logging in on another device or switch your internet connection. This helps you figure out if the problem is your device or your network. And that's pretty much it. One of these steps usually fixes Bitwarden login problems. If not, it's likely a temporary issue, so wait a bit and try again later.